The zinghoppers.
Hi, friends. It's Jack with the Zinghoppers. I am so excited about today's story time. We've got a really fun story. It's called Cat in the Bag. Cat in the bag, right there. Do you like cats? Oh, good. Me too. Well, I think you're going to really like today's story then. Like I said, it's called Cat in the Bag. It was written by Sarah Swan Miller, and it was illustrated by Benton Mahan. So I will show you all the pictures. If you have this book, feel free to read along at home, or you can look at the words on the screen, and we'll read this story together. This is a really good one. I know you're going to like it. Cat in the Bag. Are you taking a trip? What will you pack? One sweater, one jacket, one scarf, one hat. No, not the cat. Two shirts, two shoes, three pants, three caps. No, not the cat. Some socks, 4 pair, and yes, underwear. But no cats. Get out of there. 5 books, 6 games, a ball, a toy train. Some paper, a pen, and crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A brush, shampoo, and the cat? Oh, okay. You can come too. Isn't that a great little book? Cat in the Bag. I just love that. Have you ever had a chance to pet a cat? Oh, good. What did it feel like? Oh, neat. Well, that's awesome. I tell you what, we will put this book away, and the next time I see you, I will have a new book to read. I love reading with you. You're such a good reader, and it's so fun getting to spend time with you every single day. I'll see you again real soon. Keep on reading. Have a great rest of the day.
The zinghoppers.